How does Breton's ecosystem help Stiplex build its 3D printing division?
Well, the Breton ecosystem in terms of additive manufacturing is what it's operating today under the Genesee brand, let's say, the Genesee range. And Genesee is made of machinery, software, know-how and materials. Of course, we're working with all our material supplying partners that are helping us to develop new materials, new solutions, and opening up new opportunities on terms of product that we can manufacture. Our base of products in machine is always there and has been improving over the last 12 months with new extrusion lines, with new nozzles and new functionalities. On the software, we're working every day to get something even more performing than what we had before. But I think what made the difference for Stiplex in this case, it was the ability that we had to transfer our know-how in a pretty quick way, actually. Because when you look at Stiplex, you could see a company that up to just 6 or 7 months ago was not having any capability in terms of 3D print, and we've been able to escort them throughout that growth. So they're now there in the market offering their products, amazing 3D printed parts, and they're opening up new possibility on their suppliers and on their customers at the end with architectural works, structural parts, technical components, and many other things. It's just a matter of unleashing their creativity now.